Hello friends, today we are comparing Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3 versus Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Generation 2. First we discuss specifications. Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3. Platform compatibility, Xbox, PlayStation and PC. Connectivity, wireless. Audio drivers, 50 mm speakers. Mic, flip to mute, adjustable. Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Generation 2. Platform compatibility, Xbox, PlayStation and PC. Connectivity, wireless. Audio drivers, 50 mm speakers. Mic, noise cancelling, flip to mute. Battery life, Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3. Battery life up to 15 hours on a full charge. Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Generation 2. Battery life up to 20 hours on a full charge. Sound quality, Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3. Sound quality solid with robust bass and clear mids and highs. It's turned for gaming but not as refined as the 700 series. Sound technology, superhuman hearing, Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Generation 2. Sound quality superior to the 600 Generation 3 with more depth and clarity, enhanced bass and a more balanced sound profile. Sound technology, superhuman hearing plus additional customizable audio presets. Comfort and fit. Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3. Comfort, decent comfort with synthetic leather ear cushions, not as plush as the Stealth 700 Generation 2. Fit, adjustable headband, fits well for most head sizes but might be less comfortable during extended use compared to the 700 Generation 2. Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Generation 2. Comfort, more premium with cooling gel infused ear cushions and a more comfortable headband, better for long gaming sessions. Fit, adjustable and generally provides a more secure and comfortable fit. Active noise cancellation, Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3. Active noise cancellation, no active noise cancellation. It relies on passive noise isolation from the ear cushions. Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Generation 2. No active noise cancellation, but the passive noise isolation is more effective due to the better design and materials. Better option, Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3. Professionalism, more affordable, decent battery life, good sound quality for the price, and comfortable for most users. Consideration, lacks some premium features such as advanced audio presets and longer battery life. Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Generation 2. Professionalism, enhanced sound quality, better build quality, longer battery life, and additional features like audio, presets, and improved comfort. Consideration, higher price point.